What's up, YouTube? Today I have a tutorial for you on Instagram of how to hide or delete the photos that you've been tagged in. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm going to show you right now. If you go over to your Instagram profile and then you pull up to the photos that you've been tagged in, it's like the second option instead of the posts. If you just swipe left, you'll be able to get to the tagged photos. I only have the 2 tagged photos here, but it's good for the example. If you tap on them, you'll see your username there. And then if you tap on the username, you'll be brought with a bunch of different options. I like to just hide it from my profile unless it's relevant to me. I get tagged in a lot of just random stuff. You could also alternatively completely remove the tag from the post. So what I just did previously on the first post is just remove it from my end. So if you go on my profile, you can't see it. But what I just did right now, if you want to just remove from the post, is that anybody that comes across that post and looks at who's tagged will not see it. For the first post, they'll still see it. It just won't appear on my profile. If you were confused or have any questions, leave a comment and I'll be sure to get back to you. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.